Hello students, welcome back to the MySQL series. In this video, let's see some practical questions of select statement along with the relational and logical operators. For doing these practicals, we are using this library table which have the book number, title, publishers, author, date of publication, price and the number of copies columns, and 6 book details are already entered to that. We have already created the database, then the table, and also inserted the records. Now the fourth question, first let's see the details of all the books. Details of all the books means we need to display the entire content of this library table. So for that we are using the command select star. Star sign can be used to display the entire content. So let's execute this question. The table already created, library table is already there with the 6 records. Now let's display the entire content by giving this command select star from library. You can see the entire records, all the 6 records entered columns also with this command. Now let's move on to the next question, that is display the book title and the price of all the books. So here only 2 columns we need. Let's see the command for that. We just need only 2 columns. So we specified the column list after this select book title comma price. So by specifying the column list, we are telling the server that we need these 2 columns only instead of the entire column. So let's execute this one. See, only the book title and the price only displayed. Now let's move on to the next question, that is display book number, price, number of copies and publish date of all the books with less than 4 number of copies. That means number of copies is must be less than 4. We are telling a condition. So to apply this condition, where clause need to be used along with the select statement. So let's see the command for that. See, select book number, price and these fields from table library where number of copies less than 4. So let's execute this one. See, 5 records satisfying this condition. Number of copies, look at the number of copies, it is less than 4. Now let's move on to the next, that is 7th one. Display these fields of books published before this given date. Before this given date. Let's see the answer for that. To see, look at the 7th one. Now display these fields, select these fields from library where date of publish less than. Before means less than, and the date need to be given in YYYYMMDD format. First the year, then the month, then the date. So let's execute this one. So all these dates are before this 2012 April 1st. So it displays all 4 records. Now next question. Display the book title and date of publication of all books started after this given date. After. So let's see the answer for this. Instead of less than, if it is after, you need to use the greater than symbol. So greater than, date of pub greater than the date. Date need to be given in YYYYMMDD format. So let's execute this one. So look at this one. See here, before that 4 books published, after that this given date 2 books published, total 6. So it's correct. Now next question. Next set of questions are using logical operators. Here in these questions only one condition given, but here when we look at this question there is more than one condition. Look at this 9th question. You need to display these books published after this given date. That is one condition. Second condition is price is more than 500. Second condition is also given. So we need to join these conditions. First, read the question carefully and understand how we need to join. You need to use and or. So which logical operator needed is determined by the question. In this question, for which, that means both need to be satisfied. So we need to use the and logical operator and. Let's see the answer for this. Ninth question. Select these from library. Look at the condition here, both condition, date of publication greater than this given date and price greater than this. Two conditions are joined using the AND operator. Let's execute this one. Only one book satisfying both these condition. AND means both condition need to be satisfied, then only the entire condition becomes true. Now next question. Need to display the books. 10th question. Note from McGraw publication. We need to display books with not from this publicator, new McGraw publication. So let's see the answer. Here not, for specifying that we can use the logical operator not, that is exclamation and equal sign can be used. Let's execute this one. So when we look at the table, 2 books are published from McGraw, rest of them are from different other publications. So look at the output, you got 4 books, that is not from the McGraw publication. Next question, 11th question. Here also 2 conditions are there. We need to display the books price is less than 300, that is first condition. Second condition, not of the copies more than 2, not more than 2 number of copies. So these both conditions are given. Or here in this question, when you look at the question, there it's given or number of copies more than 2. So or is used instead of and. Here we combined both the condition using the or. Let's execute the query. So this is the answer. So it or means any of the condition only need to be satisfied. If price greater than 300, you will get output of that. If number of copies greater than 2, then also it takes the output. It display the record to the output. You can some of them are, see, the price of this Learn MS Office is 510. So this is more than 300. Still or is used, that is why it is displayed like that. Now next question. Display the books published in the year 2011. 2011 published means the date of publication need to be between January 1st 2011 and the 2011 December 31st. So that is applied using the AND operator. So let's execute this one here. Date of publication greater than or equal to January 1st 2011 and less than or equal to the December 31st. This is the answer. Now next one, we need to display the books in the range 200 to 300. So let's see the answer for that. Okay, it must be in the range. So range can be displayed in between, like that you can display that. Let's execute this one. So 2 records satisfying the condition in between. Now one more question. We need to display that in the range, number of copies in the range 2 to 4. So let execute this answer. Number of copies between 2 and 4. Okay. So this is the answer, all number of copies between 2 and 4. So in these questions, more than one condition are there. Please practice this. That's all. Thank you.